Have you ever wondered how those juicy, sweet, and refreshing watermelons make their way from sprawling fields to your summer picnics? It's a journey that begins with a single seed and involves a lot of dedication and hard work from farmers. From tiny seeds to ripe fruits, the story of watermelon harvesting is a tale of nature's bounty and human ingenuity. Farmers use advanced irrigation systems to ensure the plants get the right amount of water. Pollination plays a key role in watermelon production. Bees, nature's hardworking pollinators, are essential for transferring pollen from flower to flower. As the vines grow, small fruits begin to appear. Over the next few weeks, these fruits swell into the large, green-striped watermelons we recognize. The sound test. Farmers gently thump the watermelon, listening for a deep, hollow sound, a sign that it's ripe and ready. The ground spot. The underside of the watermelon changes color from white to a creamy yellow as it ripens. Harvesting watermelons is a labor-intensive process that requires both care and precision. Workers must handle the fruits gently to avoid bruising or damaging them. Once harvested, the watermelons are carried to the edge of the field, often by hand or using wheelbarrows. In large-scale farms, conveyor belts or tractors are used to transport the fruits more efficiently. After harvesting, the watermelons are sorted by size, weight, and quality. The best fruits are carefully washed to remove dirt and debris. They are then packed into crates or boxes ready for transportation. Farmers and workers ensure that the packing is done with care. The journey doesn't end in the fields. Watermelons are loaded onto trucks and transported to local markets, grocery stores, or even exported to other countries. Once they reach the market, the watermelons are displayed for consumers to choose from. Shoppers often look for the telltale signs of ripeness. Finally, the watermelon reaches your home, ready to be sliced open and enjoyed. Whether you prefer it in slices, cubes, or blended into a refreshing drink, the taste of a ripe watermelon is a true delight. The next time you bite into this summer favorite, think of the farmers and their tireless efforts to bring this sweet treat to your table. What's your favorite way to enjoy watermelon? Share in the comments below. Whether it's in a salad, as a snack, or in a smoothie, we'd love to hear your ideas. Gap 3S, close-up of different watermelon varieties in a market. Let's dive into the world of watermelon varieties. There are many different types of watermelons, each with its unique characteristics. Gap 3S, split screen showing Crimson Sweet and Sugar Baby watermelons. Some popular varieties include the Crimson Sweet, known for its bright red flesh and sweet flavor, and the Sugar Baby, a smaller variety with a dark green rind. Gap 3S, transition to a yellow-crimson watermelon being sliced open. Then there's the yellow crimson, which has a yellow flesh and a slightly different taste. Gap 3S, farmers in a field examining different watermelon varieties. Farmers often choose the variety based on factors such as climate, soil type, and market demand. Gap 3S, a chart showing different watermelon varieties and their characteristics. Each variety has its own growing requirements and market appeal, making the selection process crucial for successful cultivation. Gap 3S, a chef preparing a dish with different watermelon varieties. And for consumers, the variety of watermelons available means there's always something new to try, whether you're looking for a classic taste or something a bit more exotic. Gap 3S, people at a farmer's market sampling different watermelon varieties. Next time you're at the market, why not try a new variety? You might just discover a new favorite. Gap 3S, closing shot of a colorful display of different watermelon varieties. Watermelons are a versatile and beloved fruit, and their many varieties only add to their universal appeal. What's your favorite type of watermelon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Watermelons are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, essential for healthy skin and a strong immune system. Watermelons also contain antioxidants like lycopene, which may help reduce cancer risk. Low in calories and high in water, they are perfect for hydration. Enjoy watermelon at picnics or as a post-workout snack. Experiment with recipes to incorporate this superfruit into your diet. With every bite, you're nourishing your body with nature's goodness.